another cheap entry-level 4K TV. It's the Samsung 43 RU7100. I don't know if there is any big difference between this and the 7020 I've done, but I'll have a quick look anyway. Quick look in the top of the box. See, we've got the 2 feet in there, quick setup guide, and remote and instruction book pack. Take those out. There's the 2 feet, remote and instruction book pack, polystyrene out of the top. Take out the screen, nothing else in there. Back of the TV as it is. You can see we've got 200mm square VESA mountings, figure 8 mains in, all that I'll go through. Pedestal parts marked left and right. I'll just remove the pedestal feet quickly. So, one thing different is a cable guide clip there. And that's the other side. So these feet will be marked. Don't know if it shows up, but L for left, R for right. So right, now I've got my left and right wrong. Left, left. So I'll quickly just whip those screws in there. Now, just looking at the connections on the back there, you can see I've got my aerial in, HDMI 1, 2 and 3, 3 being ARC, USB 1 amp, half amp, digital audio, optical out, and again, got these old legacy connections, so component or composite in, and a wired internet socket there. If I just come back to the feet, looking at that there, got these feet in here, not feet, cable guides for the feet, so your cable can run down here and down the foot. That clips on just to hold it in place, as we can see. Only other things in the accessory pack here, figure 8 mains lead again, pretty standard now, with the right angled connection there. CI card slot reader we don't use in the UK. Wall mount spacers. So again, it does taper to be thinner at that part there. Let's just have a quick look. So they drop in the holes. Keep your bracket parallel to the screen. 4 of those. M8 45 to 50mm bolts. Quick look at the remote. So again, it is pretty much the same as the 7020, looking at it. Got their dedicated Netflix, Prime, Rakuten TV input buttons, and the rest of your standard buttons for channels and sound and so on. No Bluetooth remote, but I'm imagining the TV does have Bluetooth, so I think you could probably pair one of the Samsung smart remotes to it. All I've connected up is aerial, mains and wired internet. So I should turn it on. So I'll skip the tuning bit as usual, just to avoid the boredom. Okay, so England, our primary region here is Yorkshire. It is important to pick the right one. Right, so that's just showing Freeview HD at the moment. I have got a USB stick somewhere so I can have a look at something else, but I'm just going to turn the sound up, try the audio.
Chances he could have the virus, having recently joined from Shanghai Shenhua. The former Watford striker moved on deadline day and missed United's trip to Spain during the winter break. He is expected, though, to be available to make his debut at Chelsea on Monday. Well, one Chelsea player to look out for soon will be the Moroccan winger Hakim Ziyech. The club have agreed to deal with Ajax, believed to be in the region of £33 million.
Audio is actually not bad for a budget TV. Let's just have a look at the menu. So I said it's got Bluetooth in it, so you can attach a Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth wireless headphones as well, which is quite convenient. I'll try my USB stick. So I tried the RU7020, didn't have inbuilt demos. I'm guessing this TV is pretty much the same, so also it will have no inbuilt demos, but I've got some from 2018 on a USB stick there. So we'll give them a quick try just to see some 4K content. Right, that's pretty much it, so I'll leave it at that for now. Pretty decent, small, well, say small 43-inch TV, 4K, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi built in. And I think, off the top of my head, they retail at about $339. I will put a link in the description and you can have a look, check it out for yourself. That is it.